Hello students, you are welcome in Statistics NCERT chapter 15 part 7. Now miscellaneous exercise today we have done 15.3 in the previous part. There is first question of miscellaneous. Mean and variance of 8 observations are 9 and 9.25 respectively. Now if 6 observations are, these are the observations 6, 7, 10, 12, 12 and 13, find the remaining 2 observations. So remaining observations are x and y. Now mean that can be calculated using sum of observations divided by number of observations. So 6 observations we are given, 2 we have assumed. So sum of all observations divided by 8, the number of observations, and mean it is given 9 in this statement. So 9 is equal to, now you calculate, it will be 60 plus x plus y upon 8, cross multiply and solve. So you will get equation x plus y is equal to 12. Similarly, variance, we know the formula for variance is summation of x square upon n minus summation of x upon n whole square. So summation of x square means we have to calculate this. So sum of square of all observations, 8 observations including x, y. So square of 6 plus square of 7 plus square of 10, square of 12, square of 12, square of 13 plus x square plus y square upon 8, this is n, minus summation of x upon n, this is mean. So that this is also mean. So we can use the mean in this place. So mean is given 9. So put 9 here and then calculate. So after calculation you will find out equation in xy as x square plus y square is equal to 80. Now you solve first and second equation. From the first find value of x and put in the second equation, and then it will be quadratic in y, and you solve that quadratic using splitting middle term method. So we will find the values of x and y as x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 8. So this pair of value, so either 4 8 or 8 4, these two values that will be here. So same pair. So that's why value of x is 4 and value of y is 8. It means remaining 2 observations are 4 and 8. I hope it is clear. So you do these calculations. So you have to solve first and second and find values of x, y, and values will be 4 and 8 respectively. Now this was first question of miscellaneous. On to question number 4. Given that x bar is the mean and standard deviation sigma square is the variance, so let n of n observations x1 x2 up to xn. Prove that mean and variance of observations a x1 a x2 and so on up to a xn are a x bar a square sigma square. So we will find out mean of this new observation a x1 a x2 up to a xn. So mean is sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So we can take a common from this. So a into x1 plus x2 up to xn upon n. We know this is summation of xi, where I varies from 1 to n, and this is the value of x bar. So mean of the new observation, that is a into x bar. So this is new mean. Similarly, you calculate new variance, apply the formula sum of square of observations. Observations are a x1, the first observation. So sum of square a square x1 square plus a square x2 square and so on up to a square xn square. This is summation of x square divided by n minus summation of xi, means sum of all observations a x1 plus a x2 up to a xn upon n. We can also use new mean in this place. So you put and calculate. Now whole square, so we can take a square common and we are left inside x1 plus x2 up to xn upon n. Similarly, from these values we can also take a square common. So a square is common from both. So we know this is summation of xi square upon n minus sum of observations, it is summation of xi upon n whole square. We know this is the formula for variance of the old observation. So it is sigma square. So a square into sigma square, that is new variance. This is what we have to prove. So new variance is a square into old variance, you can also say like that, and new mean, that is a into old mean. I hope it is clear. This is very important question, and you try this question and all questions of this type. Then question number 5. Mean and standard deviation of 20 observations are 10 and 2 respectively. On checking, it was found that observation 8 was incorrect. Find mean and standard deviation if wrong item is omitted, that is deleted, if it is replaced by 12. So now mean, we know summation of x or sum of observations divided by n. Summation of x upon n is 20 given to us. Mean is given 10. So 10 is equal to, so summation of x. Now after rejecting wrong entry, so remaining entry, that will be left 12, 19, because for the first part, if wrong item is omitted or deleted, so if you delete wrong entry, so remaining entries will be 19, and this is sum of all observations including wrong entry. So if you subtract wrong entry from here, so the remaining value, that will be 192. So this is the sum of remaining 90 entries. So correct summation of x. And now you calculate new mean, new summation of x divided by number of observations, now 19. You calculate and you will find out it is 10.11. Now standard deviation, this is the formula, summation of xi square upon n minus summation of x upon n whole square. We know this is also x bar or mean of x. So mean of x is given 10. So you can write down 10 in place of this. Summation of xi square, n is 20, and standard deviation is also given 2. So now squaring both sides and calculate summation of xi square, it will be 2080. Now after deleting wrong entry, so we have to calculate the new summation of xi square. So it means we have to subtract the square of wrong entry. Wrong entry was 8. So subtract square of 8 and we are left with 2016. And then calculate new variance after deleting wrong entry, and it will be new summation of xi square upon n minus new summation of x upon n whole square, or you can write down mean in place of this. You calculate and you will find out it is 3.893. That is new standard deviation will be square root of this variance. This is variance I have calculated, and standard deviation will be square root of this variance, and it will be 1.97. So after deleting wrong entry, this was first part of question number 5. Now second part, if wrong entry is replaced by 12. Now summation of xi we have already calculated 200. Summation of xi square we have already calculated in the first part 2080. If wrong entry 8 is replaced by 12, so we will find out correct summation of xi. So that will be 200 minus wrong entry plus correct entry, that will be 204 after calculation. Now correct mean, so correct summation of xi 204 divided by number of observations are 20, because wrong entry have been deleted and that is replaced by the correct entry. So number of observations that will remain 20. So you calculate 10.2. Now you calculate correct summation of x square. From summation of xi square we have calculated, subtract square of wrong entry, that is 8, square of 8, and add square of correct entry, that is 12. So 2080 minus 8 square plus 12 square, after calculation it will be 2160. Now calculate correct variance using the formula and you will find out 3.96, and standard deviation will be square root of the variance, that is 1.99. So this is answer. When wrong entry that is replaced by the correct one. I hope it is clear. You try the remaining questions. That's all for today. Thank you.